Hey guys, Roman Ramsey, Middle Georgia, RB pressure washing. You guys can see, it's supposed to be a brown roof. Client just bought the house, done plenty of work for him before, and definitely wanted to get everything clean. So that's what we're going to do for him. We're gonna definitely restore this roof. You can see where there's some moss over here as well. We'll be taking care of that for him as well. All right, guys, finished product. Oh man, this thing is a beauty. Going around, had a couple other spots around front, but this was definitely the problem area. And we have taken care of it for our client. And this is his new house, and he wanted everything cleaned and up to par, so we took care of that for him. We can take care of that for you guys as well. Have a good day.